The past is where you learned the lesson, and the future is where you apply the lesson. Hello everyone, I am CS Jaspreet. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I make informative and educational videos for CA, CS, and CMA students as well as members. But today, as it is the last day of 2020 and we are bidding adieu to 2020 and entering 2021, I wanted to share my top 5 life lessons that 2020 taught me. Now, 2020 was not a very pleasant year for a lot of people. Many people lost their loved ones due to COVID. Many people lost their jobs due to COVID. But what I learned from 2020, I'll be sharing my experience. So, the first life lesson that I learned is prioritize those who prioritize you, or choose those who choose you. Now, you should always choose the people who choose you. You should make those people number one who make you their number one. You should always ask yourself that whether the person I'm prioritizing is the one who's prioritizing me. There should be no excuse for the reason that I cannot prioritize you for so and so reasons. There's no reason. If anybody wants to prioritize you, they will, and if not, they'll make you an option and treat you like second, third, fourth, fifth, or nowhere on their list. So never choose those people who don't choose you. Prioritize those who prioritize you, and make the people number one who make you number one. Moving forward to the second life lesson, which is once a liar is always a liar, or once an abuser is always an abuser, or once a cheater is always a cheater. Now, there is a very simple theory of human beings. There's a thin line of decency and morality and hesitation. Now, once anybody crosses that line refrains every human being from saying anything bad or doing anything bad to the other person, as it may harm themselves, their own image. There's nothing about the thing that that person is refraining from doing anything bad to me, so it is because that person loves me. Actually, they are just not doing it because that is the way they want to project themselves in the society. But once that person crosses that line and show their true colors, or abuses you or lies to you, that hesitation gets finished. Now the person is like, the true color is revealed, now this is what I am. And you should not think that they will change themselves, because that is their nature, that is their habit. And once they have revealed themselves, it becomes very easy to take the excuse that this is the way I behave, or this is my habit, this is my nature. So never think that once any human being crosses that line of decency, that line of morality, that line of hesitation, there's no going back. No one goes back, no one improves themselves, because a habit takes time to develop. You know, a person who has matured enough will never change himself, or will never change his habit. So the habit of abusing or the habit of lying stays with them, and it's just a matter of time. The moment the line is crossed, the moment that time has come, that now it is like, now they cannot portray something else, they just show their real colors, they will never go back. So always remember, if a person can lie to you once, he will do it again and again. There's no going back. That person will abuse you again and again, will lie to you again and again, will disrespect you again and again. So moving forward to the third life lesson, which is self-love and putting your mental health first. 2020 taught me that self-love is the best love, and it should inculcate in all of us. We should all, put efforts in ourselves. We should invest in ourselves. We should take time out for ourselves, prioritize our needs, with the goal that our mental peace should be our target, with the goal that I am happy, that I can sleep with peace at night. My mental peace is stable. This is very important, because some people they have this agenda of attacking your mental peace, and they attack you so badly that, by their words, by manipulations, by gaslighting other people. Some people they enjoy doing that. They enjoy creating conflicts in your life. They enjoy, gaslighting people, manipulating people, so that they should attack you. What they do is they play a victim card. They don't come up front to say you anything. They use the other family members, or they use the other people who are near to them. More of all, I won't say near to them, but who they can manipulate, or who they think, oh, they can be manipulated easily. So they manipulate them or gaslight them, and then create conflicts in your life. My suggestion would be to stay away from such people. Distance yourself from such people who destroy your mental health, who disrespect you, the people who enjoy creating conflicts in others' lives just to entertain their own life. Just stay away from such people. The fourth life lesson is be independent. Whether it's emotionally, whether it's financially, be independent. You shouldn't depend emotionally even on the other person, other people, because they will always take advantage of that emotional weakness. You know, if you love someone or if you respect someone, they think that you are weak or you are coward or you cannot speak for your. These things are the misconceptions that people create for you. So this is not right. This is very important that you should be emotionally independent also. It's very important to know that okay, I can handle my own emotions, and it's very important. It helps you to grow, and it helps you to protect yourself from people who destroy your life, or people who are creating the problems in your life that are attacking your mental health directly or indirectly. And so, financial independence is again an important aspect that 2020 taught me. It's very important to be financially independent as well, so that you can earn and spend according to your needs, according to your requirements. Sometimes your needs are even called as luxuries by some other people, which shouldn't be there. So, you should be financially independent to live your life at your own wills. The fifth and the biggest life lesson that I learned from 2020 is take your decisions at the right time. One thing is taking decisions, but taking decisions at right time is very, very important. Now I'll tell you the frog story. If you take a frog and put it in a boiling water, it will jump out because obviously the water was boiling and it had to jump out to save its life. But now you take a frog and put it in the normal water, and now start increasing the temperature of the water. What will happen with the increase of the temperature? The frog will try to adjust itself to the water that's getting hotter and hotter. This same thing happens with human beings. We also start adjusting to the bad environment, to the bad situations, like the frog who is adjusting to the boiling water, to the hot water. Now, what will happen? The boiling water, the hot water is draining the energy out of the frog, and the frog is becoming weaker and weaker. Now, it's trying itself to get out, but it cannot because it's getting weaker. It cannot decide whether to get out, whether to jump out or not. And then ultimately, the water boils and the frog dies. What do you think? What was the reason of its death? The boiling water? No. The indecisiveness to jump out of the situation, the indecisiveness to jump out at the right time. So jump out of the situations when you see the red flags in life. Jump out and take the decision and ask yourself, is it that important? Is it that prioritizing it? Is it fair to adjust to a limit that you reach the point when the water starts boiling, you reach the point that you lose everything in your life? Is it worth it even? So it's very important to take decisions, but at the right time, before the water boils. Jump out, take decisions, be decisive enough to decide for yourself, to prioritize yourself, to think about yourself, and you lead a very happy and successful life with prioritizing yourself by loving yourself. So these were my 5 top life lessons that 2020 taught me. I hope you like this video. I request you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Hit the like button, comment below what were your life lessons, and before leaving, as we are on 31st December 2020, Happy New Year to all my subscribers and to all the people who are watching this video. Bye.